Okay, class, we are still looking at types of rainfall, and this is type number 2. Number 1 was relief rainfall, and this is convectional rainfall. This is a type of rainfall commonly received in areas with water bodies, thick vegetation, and wet grounds. It is commonly received in areas with big and many water bodies, thick vegetation cover, and wet grounds. How is it formed? It is formed when water vapor rising from water body, vegetation, or wet grounds condenses at the condensation level, forms clouds which finally form rainfall. There must be a water body, or there must be thick vegetation like a forest or wet grounds. The water bodies and wet grounds will allow evaporation process, and the thick vegetation will allow transpiration process to occur. And for transpiration and evaporation processes to occur, there must be the influence of heat from the sun. It is heat from the sun that causes evaporation on the water bodies or on wet ground, and also causes transpiration on vegetation. When you combine the two processes of evaporation and transpiration, they form one process called evapotranspiration. This is an illustration. There are winds, moist air or moist wind, as you can see them, blowing from a water body or a wet ground, and when they rise to the greater height in atmosphere, they reach condensation level, they form clouds, and clouds form rainfall, which comes back on Earth's what? Surface. Characteristics of convectional rainfall. What are the characteristics, features? If rainfall is occurring in a certain place, if it is raining in a certain place, how do you tell that this type is convection? Okay, you can base on the following characteristics. It involves lightning and thunder. These ones are common. It always falls in afternoon and evening hours because it needs maximum heating. That's when it has reached maximum heating. Evaporation becomes mature, transpiration becomes mature, and as it matures, clouds are formed late in evening or afternoon hours. It is common in equatorial regions because equatorial regions have high temperature, which will support evaporation and transpiration. Equatorial regions have equatorial vegetation to support transpiration. Equatorial regions have many water bodies to allow evaporation. It occurs through thick, dark, and extensive cumulonimbus clouds. It falls for a short time with many breaks. It rains, stops after 2 minutes, resumes, stops after 10 minutes, resumes, like that. It falls after maximum what? Heating. Because maximum heating makes evaporation and transpiration processes mature. It involves hailstones. It is common in areas with many water bodies, and it causes a lot of runoffs. Very clear. Then we have conditions necessary for the formation of convectional rainfall. For this rain to form, there should be abundant supply of moisture through evaporation. And there must be intense heating of the ground surface. Then we have cyclonic rainfall as type number 3 and the last. It is a type of rainfall received at the front. We need to understand what the front is. A front is a region where two winds of different characteristics meet. It's a region, it's a boundary where two winds of different characteristics meet. What does it mean? One wind is warm and another wind is cold and dry. So when these two winds meet, cold wind will sink, descend, and warm wind will rise, because the science here is that cold wind is heavier than warm wind. That's why warm wind rises after colliding with cold wind. Cold wind descends, and this warm wind which rises reaches condensation level, forms clouds. Clouds form this cyclonic rainfall. I think this diagram illustrates better. This is a front line. Cold wind meets there, warm wind, they collide. After meeting and colliding at the front, warm wind rises and cold wind sinks. When warm wind reaches condensation level, it condenses and forms clouds, and clouds bring back rainfall. It is common in areas that experience these winds. It is even experienced in desert regions by chance. If it rains, most of the times in desert regions, if it rains, it is of this type because of those winds.